Hey friends, if you encounter error code 0x80040c97 OneDrive couldn't be installed, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's what we have to do in this case. First of all, before anything else, check the internet connection. So open a browser and then search for fast.com and hit enter. So does it show a good enough speed? If it does, then move to the next one. Now, why do we need a good enough speed? Because OneDrive typically uploads videos and photographs and pictures and a lot of text, a lot of documents. So it does need a lot of load as well. So that is why. After that, click on the OneDrive icon, click on the settings symbol, click on the downward pointing arrow associated with pause syncing, select quit OneDrive, select quit OneDrive. Okay, this has killed the task. Now you won't find it here, so search for OneDrive once again and then open it from Windows search. Once you open it from Windows search, it will start syncing again. Click on it, select here, and then make sure that you see pause syncing here. Pause syncing means that it is syncing currently, and then wait till you get the green button here which says all files are synced. Your files are synced. That is it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.